Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today the video is more interesting. Today we are going to talk about my journey as a freelancer in Upwork platform, mainly on that. I have been freelancing on other platform as well, but I will mainly talk about Upwork because I used this platform during my initial days of my career. So Upwork has a lot given to me. So today we are going to talk about how I became a top rated and a more paying freelancer of Nepal. Whether you are just starting your freelancing career or you are already in the platform, then this video might be for you. So my freelancing journey was already started when I was in the final year of my bachelor's study. So that is like 2014-15, and while many other friends are looking for a job in different companies, I was working as a side in freelancing projects. I decided to take a different path in my career. At that time it seems more risky because a job is very stable. Everyone like to secure their career through a job, but I choose to be a freelancer. You know, like in freelancing there is always risk of like not having anything or like not getting more projects. But I was more passionate on it. I was looking for financial freedom and freedom of my work, so I choose to go on freelancing. So let me tell you how I started on Upwork. During that time, during 2015 and 16, Upwork was one of the top freelancing platforms. There were few others like Freelancer, 5ERR, but Upwork has a very good amount of client and good projects. So I chose Upwork to start it with. And honestly, my first Upwork project was of $4 only. Yeah, $4.22. Yeah, but that also like I got with like multiple tries. I think I applied for 45 jobs and then I got that $4 project. It was about like scraping some data, pulling data from internet and putting to the spreadsheet, but using Python programming language. I did that job very good. I did some more extra thing on that job as well, and the client gave me a good feedback. And then later on I keep on applying projects. It took a while, some days or weeks to get some more project. I worked on other small projects like $4, $10, $20 small projects. Yeah, we all need to start somewhere, right? So getting the first initial project is already a big win in the freelancing platform. And then later on, like in about 1 or 2 months, I started getting good projects in the platform. My approach was a bit different. So when applying for the job, in the proposal, first I studied the job description very carefully, and I created a MVP or a small demo of what the client is expecting for in the job. And the client, what more the client needs, because like half of their work is already done in the demo. So yeah, this strategy worked a lot for me, and the client started hiring me. Yeah, the strategy took some time because like you to create demos and everything, you need to spend your time, but that time is a lot worth if you started getting more projects. I then later started working on hourly basis. So my first hourly rate was $3.89, something like that, and gradually I keep on delivering quality work. So the client started raising, and I also raised my rates on my profile and getting good projects, so like $5 per hour, $8 per hour, $12 per hour, 15, 20, and that keep on increasing with the time. So that became 40, 50, 50, like I worked on 40, 50 for many years, and I also worked for 60, 70. So I came to that hourly rate over the years. So when I started in the Upwork, like something amazing happened. Like within 1 year, like I started getting job offers and project offer from various other channels, not just Upwork, from other channels as well, from LinkedIn, emails, and like personal messages and so on. So my network grew much organically. I started getting very good client as well, and then I started like hiring developer because like I started getting more projects, and that is not like handleable by me. I used to work like 6-7 hours per day. So I started hiring developers and then outsourcing the projects to them as well, and I started managing a team of developers. So within like few years, I became like a very good like paying and a top rated developer of my country. There were like some milestone and achievement I achieved. So getting like fastest $100,000 in Upwork and other platforms, and 200,000, 300,000, and so on. That graph just keep on increasing. But let me tell you, this journey was not straightforward. So there were some challenges I encountered with. So I encountered with various clients that didn't pay. I was like cheated, like they get the work done and didn't pay anything. So I had faced some loss as well, and some bad client impression. So not good working culture, not good fit with the client. So there were various scenarios I faced as well. So for those who are looking to build your career in Upwork or any other freelancing platform, so here are some tips that might help you. So always focus on quality over quantity. Don't try to take a lot of project, at least at the beginning. So try to give your best work, and the client will automatically follows you. So don't compromise anything on the quality. Always think customer and the clients are the king. And always take the projects or gigs that you are most expert in. So don't take any projects thinking that like I or some of my friend will do it. Always try to work on yourself, at least on like first few years. Just work yourself only, and on the projects that you are most confident with. That will provide an exceptional result on your quality of work. And most important thing is have a very good communication with the client. Always tell them truth, be honest, have regular communication with them, tell them the problem. So that way it will be much helpful. Also keep on like showing, don't just tell. For example, while applying the process, you can just create a demos, and also like when you are in the meeting with the client, so keep showing them demos, so update. So try to show things, as we are technical people, so you need to show things instead of just talking random things. Today I am not much active on Upwork, but I still have one or two long-term clients that were with me during my initial days. So I give like few hours per month to them, and also Upwork has a very good impact on my life. So I'm just keeping my profile alive there. I am more passionate and willing to help people like you to achieve a freelancing success in your career. So feel free to reach out to me or put any questions or any comments if you have, or if you need any help to start your career or to improve your career or to advance your career in Upwork or any other freelancing platform. Remember, everyone's path is different, but always look on providing good quality work. As long as you provide quality work, exceptional result to the client, then your graph just keep on increasing. It doesn't go down. Another important thing is never stop learning. Always try to learn new things. So recently there are AI, LLM. So try to use AI based tools on your software development process. That will help you get more result in a very less time. So always be updated to the technologies, keep on learning new things. So if you like this video and if you found this helpful and are looking for other similar videos in the future, then don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you with more interesting video in the upcoming future. Thank you. Have a good day.